Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you decide if you should buy it or just leave it on the shelf to collect dust. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop. If you've ever wanted to turn your home into a sparkling oasis without the use of toxic chemicals, you've come to the right place. Let's see which of these steamers will sweep you off your feet, or at least make your floors a little shinier. First up, let's talk about the price. The PurSteam comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, which many reviewers find to be an excellent value for its performance, especially given its versatility in cleaning various surfaces. However, the GorFanty is priced at $139, which some users feel is justified due to its additional features and accessories. While PurSteam is praised for being budget-friendly, GorFanty is seen as a more premium option that might appeal to those looking for a bit more luxury in their cleaning experience. Next, let's talk about heat. PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, which is impressive and has received positive feedback from users who appreciate its quick readiness. On the other hand, GorFanty is slightly faster at 20 seconds, earning it praise for being ready to go almost immediately. Both mops are quick, but if you're in a race against time, like trying to clean before your in-laws show up, you might want to grab the GorFanty. Now let's look at flexibility. The PurSteam is light and maneuverable, with a swivel head that can reach around furniture, making it a favorite among reviewers who love its ease of use. Meanwhile, GorFanty boasts a 120 degrees rotation and adjustable height, which has been highlighted by users as a fantastic feature for cleaning hard-to-reach places. If you're looking for flexibility, GorFanty might just take the crown, but PurSteam is still a solid choice. Accessories. PurSteam comes with a whole toolbox of gadgets including brushes, a squeegee, and a carpet glider, which users appreciate for enhancing its cleaning capabilities. GorFanty, however, doesn't want to be outdone. It comes with 10 accessories, including a window cleaning tool and flat brush, making it a favorite among cleaning enthusiasts who enjoy variety in their tools. Both products are packed with extras, but if you're a cleaning fanatic, GorFanty might have the edge. Overall, reviews for both the PurSteam and GorFanty steam mops are positive, with users praising their effectiveness and ease of use. PurSteam is often highlighted for its affordability and lightweight design, while GorFanty is favored for its versatility and quick heat-up time. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So there you have it. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is the budget-friendly, quick-heat, flexible friend we all need. Meanwhile, the GorFanty Steam Mop is the fancy upgrade, ready to tackle tough stains with a boatload of accessories and a slightly higher price tag. Ultimately, it all comes down to your personal cleaning style and budget. Do you want to keep it simple, or are you ready to go all out? Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you're leaning towards. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.